Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. You know, I always look for something cool and fun to print and to post on my channel. And today, like you saw on the thumbnail, I have Minas Tirith, the famous fortress or castle in the movie The Lord of the Rings. This is from Clavinmu. I'll put the link on Thingiverse to thingiverse.com in my video description. The file is originally from a 3Digify, but what Clavinmu did is quite clever. He actually did a hollow center, as you can see here. You save a lot of plastic by doing this, and he designed this little base or platform with an opening. You can see here there's a slot at the back. So what you can do, that's the beauty of this thing here, you can put an LED light or one with a cable. This one is battery operated. I'll turn this on and look at this. It doesn't show very much in here, it's too bright, but let's go to a dark area to look at this thing. Look at this, everyone. This is super cool. It's of course you can use it as a table lamp or just as a curio. Let me zoom in a bit here just to show a bit of the details. Look at that. As we saw, this is super cool, and the back of the mountain is flat, as you can see, so you can put that against the wall on your night table. Now, two things I'd like to mention. This is exactly 10% bigger than the file you download from Thingiverse.com. If I was printing this again, I think I would do 20%, have a bit higher and a bit wider. Also, for the infill, I use the 20%. Don't go higher because it will become, the plastic will become too thick. So anything between 10 and 20% would do a good job in my opinion, but I did 20% in this case. So thank you guys for watching, and again, don't miss my other videos on my 3D printed remote control bolt, for example, and the famous or incredible marble machine. So thank you for coming back to my channel. I hope to see you soon and have a great day. Goodbye, guys.